Hello everyone, this is Vistra from Paper Seasoning and I am here to give an update of my planner setup. I've added the decal Planner Girl to the front cover. Inside, I went to Hobby Lobby and purchased these cute stickers because they had a 50% off sale there. And let's turn to this because I laminated this piece here. I found some cardstock and I printed out a little piece and I just sent it to the laminator so that I can mark my current week. And I like that look. And you've seen in the previous video how I laminated my January calendar so that I can have a preview of it. I added this journal card so it could be for notes and how I am planning on playing. I really want to see my total week in a view. I want to be able to have everything sectioned in one spot, not flipping through everything. So here I will turn to this section and you'll see I have the date there, the days, and I also have the days here for marking what I need to do there. And then this is my social media part here, and this is my workout, and this is my food and calorie count because I do want to keep track of that this year. And on the other side I have my goals for the week, and it is to stick to a budget, start 1,300 calorie per day diet, and upload at least one video this week. So I am going to count this video as the video I've added this week. Then my to-do list, which I have started a quilt. I've already done that and I probably will finish it up in about 2 weeks, but it is on my to-do list to start it, and I've done that. Now this side lines up just like the other side does. This is my Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I don't have a Sunday because Sunday I am not doing anything but relaxing. I don't do social media. I'm not going to focus on my calorie count, although I am going to keep that on check. I'm not going to go overboard, but it's more of a relaxing day for me. And there you have it. That is the exact same on the other side as this side. And that's how I'm keeping track and the extra things that I've added to my journal. Now, I do have a budget one. As you can see, I did laminate another little piece here for my budget. On my budget, I added a happy list. It was a journal card that has that in there. And on my happy list, I've put down that I want a Cricut maker. Yes, I do. I want that huge Cricut maker. I want a quilting frame, a Cricut press, a cutting mat, and a funny onesie. Now, the funny onesie is for my daughter. She wanted that for Christmas, and Funny is a gamer YouTuber, very popular. So that's what my daughter, that's the channel my daughter loves to watch, and she enjoys watching Funny so much that she wanted one of the onesies because she came out with a line of products. So that is on the list. I have my bills written down here on this side and my spending log, and this is another piece that I've added. There's a lot of printables on Pinterest that you can put into your planner. This one is the $5,000 a year to buy a home. I'm just wanting to save $5,000 a year. Hopefully I can get that done and mark off at least 2 a week. I'm hoping I can get 2 done a week, but some of these are higher numbers, like the 195, 175, stuff like that. I probably might be able to do that once a week. I'm hoping that I can budget well enough to make sure that I incorporate this savings. And I'm not going to do the week as it goes in a row. I'm probably going to do about how much I have to save and just mark it off like that. I think that will work for me. And I have my folder here with my bills in there because I've started collecting bills for the next month already. And so I've put those in there, and that is how my planner is set up. I hope that you've gotten some ideas from this video. If you did and you like this video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, thank you. Bye-bye.